IVM.
Namaskar, my name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and good to see you on Begin the Journey. Challenges, Challenges. Life is a series of challenges, isn't it true? My life is no different, dear friend. The moment I think that now my life is ready for auto drive, life surprises and throws challenges. Challenges are like roadblocks and like ditches and like holes that we never expected. But guess what? That's exactly what life is. Now, over my 55 years, I've been an intrepid adventurer. You know why I call myself an adventurer? Because I have loved the new things that life has thrown at me. That's what an adventurer does. An adventurer ventures into forests and hills and deserts and dangerous places. You know what people understand as dangerous? But you know what the adventurer seeks? The adventurer seeks the thrill of life in its various idiosyncrasies. Life is full of idiosyncrasies. Life is exactly like you and me. We are not stable. We try and do so many different things each day. Oh, yes, we do. And so does life. And when we don't like them, we call them challenges. Have you ever considered those good things that have happened in your life? And yes, they have happened in your life, some good things. But we never call them challenges. Oh, no. We say, thank God I got it, yaar. Thank God, bahut acha hua I got that. But that, thank God you got it, could also have been challenges for someone else. You didn't just get it, you got it. That's right, you got it. Challenges for me are much like the challengers and the innovators and the adventurers' challenges. These are challenges that come up in front of us, and then when we overcome them, it gifts us. Challenges, dear friend, for me, as I started off as an actor, wanting to be an actor, knowing no way how I can be an actor and still take care of my parents and my family, it was nothing but a challenge, a huge challenge. And as I maneuvered my way, trying to learn how to act, learn ways to act, and then finally find ways in which I can earn a living out of acting, I promise you, dear friends, on each corner of that journey of mine, there have been challenges. And I also want to tell you something. As I overcame many of them, I discovered amazing gifts available for me. And now, the interesting one. Even the challenges that I failed to overcome at that point of time, they gave me something. They gave me the ability to refurbish myself, to realign myself, to rejig my formula towards life. Remember, dear friends, challenges actually question the formula we think life is fixing us with. Life doesn't have a fixed formula. Life is inviting you and me to continuously be alive and to drive our life, be a cause as we are causing our way across challenges and creating opportunities and gifts for ourselves. So look around. Look at the challenges this time as something which you will find different ways to overcome and to gift yourself. That's right, dear friend. Each challenge is a gift to you, to bring you to this present moment. In this moment when everything was shut down and is shut down, I discovered that, you know what? My acting assignments are shut down, and my physical assignments where I would have gone and delivered talks, they have shut down. Amazing challenge. I have just thought of with my team how to create whole new variations of me and my offerings to offer people my wares, my abilities in a different form. Yes, there have been challenges. And guess what? I started reaching out to thousands more than I ever did before. Was it easy? No, it wasn't. But it was actually fulfilling. Because now I have discovered that I can not only reach people when I can physically meet them, but I can digitally reach them, reach across and make a difference to the lives of people. And as I make a difference to the lives of people, they impact me. Find ways, dear friends. Challenges are just pushing you to find other ways which you would have never looked for. So I look at challenges as something which have been pulling me. They're actually a magnet for me, calling me to do things in ways which I'd never thought before. So allow challenges to be your friends. Don't run away from them. In fact, walk towards them and find ways to overcome them, because that is a gift that I want you to give yourself each day. So welcome. Welcome to another day of challenges, another day of gifts for you. I would love to hear your thoughts. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and I am thankful that you are beginning the journey each day with me. Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money and Intel. So, been a really exciting week on the network this week. We've had some really cool stuff. My old friend Vivek Lad was on Storytellers and Storysellers. Definitely do check that out. On Cyrus Said, we had Ashwin Sanghi on Thursday's episode, and Cyrus and myself did a cock and bull, just the two of us. That was fun as well on Monday. Do check that out. Masaba was on Advertising is Dead, which was another really, really strong episode from Varun. And on the sports front, both Edges and Sledges, Football Shitball had some really fun episodes. That's the Football Twaddle. Do check those out as well. And if you haven't been paying attention and you haven't been listening to Smile India in these times, I don't know why you aren't. It's the most uplifting show that you could listen to. It's a short, bite-sized piece of really positive things that happen in India. Do definitely check that out. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
Do you have a night routine? Well, everyone has one. And the to-do list usually looks like this. Brush your teeth, set that alarm, get into your pajamas, and switch off those screens. But here's one more to add to that list. Tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast for a dose of positive action and tips on how to build powerful mindsets. Episodes out every Monday on the IVM Podcast app, ivmpodcast.com, or wherever you tune into podcasts.